Hey everyone, welcome to the first video in our earning setup series. If you've ever wanted to make an extra $100 per month online, this is the perfect guide for you. Today, I'll walk you through different earning platforms and then focus on setting up a YouTube channel from A to Z. By the end of this video, you'll have your channel ready and optimized for growth. So, let's get started. Cut to screen recording, showing Google search for how to earn $100 online. There are many ways to make money online. Let's quickly go through some platforms that can help you get started. First, we have freelancing sites like Fiverr and Upwork. These are great if you have a skill like writing, graphic design, or coding. You can offer your services and get paid per project. Next, consider affiliate marketing. Websites like Amazon affiliates allow you to earn a commission by promoting products. It's all about sharing links and getting people to buy through them. Now, let's focus on YouTube. This platform has a huge potential for earnings, and it's perfect if you're passionate about creating videos. Cut to screen recording, creating a new YouTube channel. First, you need a Google account. Go to youtube.com and sign in with your Google credentials. Once you're in, click on your profile picture and select Create a Channel. Choose a name that reflects your content. It should be unique and easy to remember. Once you've got your name, click Create. Cut to customizing your channel page. Now let's customize your channel. Click on Customize Channel. Here, you can add a profile picture and banner. Use free tools like Canva to design these. Next, add a channel description. This should tell viewers what your channel is about and why they should subscribe. Cut to uploading a video. Time to upload your first video. Click on the camera icon at the top and select Upload Video. Choose a video file from your computer and fill in the title, description, and tags. Make sure your title is catchy and includes keywords related to your content. The description should provide more details and include links to your social media or website. Cut to YouTube Analytics. After uploading, it's important to monitor your analytics. Go to YouTube Studio and click on Analytics. Here, you can see how your videos are performing and who's watching them. Focus on improving your content based on this data. Higher engagement means more subscribers and views, which translates to more earnings. Cut to closing scene. That's it for today's video. Follow these steps and you'll be on your way to making $100 a month with your YouTube channel. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more tips on making money online. See you in the next video.